folks, just got off at Bayfair D10 called 3 Blue Line. The train. The train just came out from the DCR. Just got off here, platform 1. I'm here at Bayfair Station, departing platform 1, leaving Bayfair Station. Here we go. Train touching.